What's up YouTube? In today's video, I figured I would discuss something that I get questioned about a lot, whether it's on my Instagram or my YouTube. At toxic_400. Come on, give me the 200, please. Please. Give me there. Nice. Let's go. It's currently the topic that I get questioned about most on my Instagram. I get countless comments about this and DMs on how I did it and advice and stuff like that, along with a few comments on my YouTube. So I figured today I would talk about it. My LED headlight mod that I did on my DR-Z. So many people comment about this, asking me how I did it, what I used, and what the brackets are that I had to make for it and stuff. So I figured today I would show you guys what I did to do that, and it's actually insanely simple. It's just there's no video on YouTube how to do it, and I'll show you guys how I figured it out, and it's actually insanely simple. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I posted a picture of the bracket that I made, and basically just a quick little video showing you what the LED looks like and what the bracket looks like. But for those of you who aren't following my Instagram, I figured I'd just make a video about this, showing you guys what it looks like and how I did it. So I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna take off this front plastic on my bike so you guys can actually see what the brackets look like, what the LED looks like. So the good thing with this LED is that it was plug and play. There was no soldering or anything required for the wires. It just plugged right into the stock DR-Z plug, harness, whatever the hell you want to call it. But it was not an exact fit. There was a lot of modification I had to do to the plastic, and I had to custom make stainless steel brackets. So it's like a trade-off. It's either you gotta custom the wiring and wire it yourself, or you gotta make a bracket for it. So there were two main things that I had to do to get this to fit. I had to cut the plastic headpiece for the DR-Z, and I had to build those two brackets. So now that I have the screws out, I can pull this off and you can get a look at the brackets I made. Literally, it's just this little L bracket. It screws into the back of the light right there, and it screws in to the stock headlight brackets. The headlight brackets that came on the bike for the stock headlight already have like a decent angle to them, so I just used that angle and I just made straight brackets. I didn't have to worry about angling the light at all, which was honestly extremely helpful. But besides that, I mean, I ordered this headlight I got on eBay, 25 bucks. It's a 3x5 light. It's a 4x6 inch actual like dimension, but it's a 3x5 LED. Again, 4x6 inch. And all I had to do was screw the bracket into the back of it right there and screw it on right there. And that was basically it. This is the wire for it, and it's just your basic, if I can get this out, it's really hard with one hand. All right, it's your basic 3-prong, and that's the exact thing that the stock headlight uses. So the wiring is plug and play. It's just, you gotta build the bracket. And besides building the bracket, all I had to do to the head unit was around here. If you look on yours, you'll see plastic that like isn't about that deep. You literally just have to cut this out so that way it's flush. There you go, you can see that better now. So that way the light actually fits, because you'll have a second layer of plastic, so it'll be 2 rows, one here, that I still have, and then one right here. You literally just take a razor blade. What I did was I took a razor blade, clamped it in vice grips, heated it up with a torch, and just cut all that out so it left it nice and clean. And then put a little bit of, it's like, you put it on your door to stop drafts, and it just cleans up the look of it. I put it on the top and bottom, and it just makes it more of a snug fit around the LED. Some of you might be wondering what this wire is right here. That is underglow that I had to put on my bike. As you can see, just a few LED strips on the bottom. And I made the mistake of not putting removable connectors to the switch. I literally just soldered them right on there like an idiot, so I can't take off my head unit unless I cut the wires, which I'll probably do soon, and just put bullet connectors right here. But basically that's literally all you have to do to build the LED mod. It's not even hard. Pretty much any beginner can use it as long as you have access to the sheet metal and a breaker bar to bend it. But it looks so much cleaner than the stock headlight. I have that over here. Cause like, look at this thing. It looks like it's straight out of the 90s. Like it's horrible. So I'll let you guys decide which one looks better. Cause like, just look at that. Nice new modern LED or some old halogen looking thing. I don't even know. So that's gonna do it for this video, guys. As you can tell, it's insanely simple to do to your bike, and it changes the entire look. And let me tell you, this thing is insanely bright at night. It lights up the whole trees above me and everything. It's impressive. For just $25 and a little bit of modding, it's great. So drop a comment down in the comment section. Let me know what you guys want to see from me on my channel. I'm always open to suggestions. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.